Hey everyone, I'm Fantasy Dancer and welcome back to our Mocktails series. Today we're making a drink called the Cranberry Kiss. Majority of the recipes agree that you need cranberry juice, orange juice, and something fizzy, but as far as the actual amounts for those ingredients, it seems to be open to interpretation. For today's version, we're using 6 ounces of cranberry juice, one more, we'll need 2 ounces of our freshly squeezed orange juice, and our something fizzy. I'm using 7-Up today. You can substitute it for club soda, even sparkling water if you'd like, but I like the additional citrus in the 7-Up. And we're going to top it off with 2 ounces of this. Give it a quick stir. And to garnish, we're using an orange wheel. Just like that. Alright, let's see how it tastes. Very cranberry forward, but I'm not surprised. You do get the nice smoothness of the orange juice and a little bit of the fizziness from the soda, but not a ton. Not enough to like make your nose bubble or anything. Alright. Well, there we have our Cranberry Kiss. So just to recap, we've got our 6 ounces of cranberry juice, 2 ounces of orange juice, and 2 ounces of our soda. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed the drink. Subscribe if you want to follow along with our Mocktails series, and we'll see you next time.